Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. In today's class, we are going to start our introduction part of exercise 9.1, children. Okay. Now, under presentation of data, we have grouped frequency distribution table, ungrouped frequency distribution table, children. Now, what do you mean by group? Like in the last class, we have only just observations, children. Like such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only like these numbers were there, right? 2, 3, 1, 4. Yes or no, so on. We have like these numbers. These numbers are called observations. These numbers are called what? Observation. It is our children. Okay, now it is observation. In ungrouped data, we will have only observation, children. Now these are only single numbers. That's why we have we have written this in ungrouped data. Now if the numbers are like 55, 30, 45, 100, okay, and 60, 50, and 18, okay. If there are such numbers, then how we'll write? We'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and continuously we'll be writing, children? No, we have to make the group of numbers like 0 to 10. So 0 to 10, wherever it is, we have to write in that one group. Okay, now children. In the last class, we have taken no frequency distribution, that is tally marks. Same thing. Okay, now. So grouped data is that one, like 0 to 10. So here, how many under 0 to 10, how many numbers are there? We don't have any numbers. So like that, we have to make groups. Then next will be 11 to 20, like this. Okay. Now these 0 to 10, 11 to 20 is nothing but class interval, children. That is said to be what? This is one class interval. This is another class interval. Okay. These groups are said to as class intervals. Now under class interval, we have exclusive and inclusive. Exclusive is what? Like this is 1, children, not 0. Okay, it will be 1 to 10, 11 to 20. This is 11, right? So it is 1 to 10. Now in exclusive, we'll be having 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So from 0 to 10, okay, whatever the numbers comes, we have to take here. Now again 10 is written, so 10 we should not take here. What we have to take? Just we have to write 10, but we have to count from 11. Okay, we have learned in our 8th class, children. You know very well. See here, 0 to 10, all the numbers we have to take in this group. Again 10 we should not include in this group. From where we have to take? We have to take from 11 to 20. Then 20 to 30, just we'll write simply 20 here, but we'll be counting from 21, children. Okay, now this is exclusive class interval. Inclusive means what? 1 to 10, these all the numbers are included in that. Then 11 to 20, all the numbers will be including. Okay, 21 to 30, 1 to 10, whatever the numbers are there, we will include here. Okay, like tally marks will be doing, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now what is upper limit, what is lower limit? Now when I say class interval is 1 to 10, this will be our lower limit, 10 will be our upper limit, children. Okay, now 10 will be our upper limit. Now you understood this one. Now see here, children, your example 2. Your example 2, which is on page number 197. The weight in grams of 50 oranges. How many oranges are there? 50. So for each orange, one weight will be, right, children? So they have given all the weights for all the oranges. First orange weight was 35 grams. Then it was 45 grams. Okay. Similarly, same thing it was for all the oranges, 50 oranges. Now how to make? Now 35 is there, 45 is there, 55 is there, 50 is there, 30 is there. So we can't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the numbers we can't take like last time. Right. Here the numbers are little bigger. So we have to make a group of few numbers. Okay, now which is the smallest number from all these groups? We have to search. Can you say which is the smallest number, children? 30 is the smallest number here. So I'll be writing lowest number is what? 30. Now what is the highest number? We have to check here which is the highest number. 100, 110, 115, 104, 110. So we have 115 as highest number. Now we have to make a group in these numbers, children. Like we have to take from 35 should be included, no. So we'll take from 25 to 35. 25 to 35, or else you can take from 20 to 30. 20 to 30 you can take it. Then 30 to 40 you can take it. You can make a year with children. How can you, if you want to make like 20 to 30 you can make it, or else you can take 25 to 30. Okay, which is sufficient for you, you can take it. Okay, now what is the difference between these two? 10. Okay, now or else you can take the 30 should come in that class interval, that's it. Okay, that one you have to keep in mind. Like 25 to 35, 30 is coming in that? Yes, it is coming. Okay, like 20 to 30 if I say to take, 30 is coming in this? Yes, 30 will be coming, right? Because this counting will be from 21, so 30 will be coming in that. Same thing you have to do it. Okay, now 25 to 30. Next you should write 35 to 45. Then you have to write 45 to 55. 55 to 65. 65 to 75. 75 to 85. 85 to 95. 95 to 105. Then 105 to 115. That's it. 115 will take, right? Now next we'll be counting next. Do you remember, children? We have to count from 0 to from 25 to 30. Okay, this is a group, right? See here, children. Now 30 is the smallest number, so we'll be counting from 30 to 35. 35, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. So how many numbers are there, children? 6 numbers are there. How to count the tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now fifth one we should be cross one, children. Then 35 to 45. So 35 we should not take. No, children. We have to take what? 36, because already 35 we have taken above. Okay, so from 36 to 45 how many numbers are there? Let us check. 45, 1, then 42, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7. That's it, 7. So we'll be writing 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now next 46 to 55. 46 to 55. Now we'll see 55. 1, 2, 2, 3. 52 also will come under this, right? 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are there? We have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you have to do continuously like this, children. Okay, now so you have to complete it. Now what the total should come when we count all the numbers? We should get 50, children, because we have all 50 no children. So we should get total answer as 50. That's it. I hope you all have understood. Yes, children. Same thing you have to make the pairs. Okay, now thank you, children. Have a good day.